To create date picker, go to Home, find Add-ins menu at the end, click on it. In search box, type calendar and select mini calendar. And that's it. You can move the calendar, and if you select A1 cell, for example, and pick a date from calendar, you've got date in A1 calendar appearing. If you want to type date in A2, again pick a date, and you've got your date in A2 cell. You can change calendar size. If you want to have smaller one, you can change calendar theme. You can change calendar system as well. You can toggle week numbers and highlight range of dates. To hide settings, just press cross at the end. You can also insert current type.